Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, April the 25th, 2022. We have here a puzzle page with only one regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium, but also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, then we have 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles in the additional. 3 of them I will solve. And first, the regular Sudoku. Yes, the regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku it will be. And this will be number 4457. 57. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. By the way, news of today. Yes, let me show you. Max has won the race, but also Macron in France has also won the election. Macron. Alright, that's the news of today. Let's go back to the Sudoku Medium. 26 printed digits. Well, for 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need to be my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the last column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see that 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2 now. How about? We have a pair. 3 and a 7 in this row. 3 and a 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. 1. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 in that box. Here, 4 in the second column, so no 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then. How about 5, 5, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now I have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me think. 6. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1, 6, 3. We have a pair, 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So column between the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Together with the 1, we have a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So now we have 1 box left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6. Alright. 7. 9, 7, 5. 5 in this first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Well, 2 boxes left in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Okay. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 is missing, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 1 and then 9. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Apologies. Okay. Okay. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9, 9. 3, 7. Oh wait. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4, so now I have eliminated this 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. From that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. And we have 2 numbers left. The last 2 numbers, 9 and 3, 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for this Sudoku Medium. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you with the data. We have here the 489, 489, 271, 271, 364, 364, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1 pair, the 4 as a pair. Only 1 pair. Alright, thank you. See you later with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.